Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, still Thursday, December the 2nd, 2021. I've already solved two puzzles. There are three puzzles left: tectonic, binary, and a killer, aka Sudoku mix. But first, for you, we have a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 3770. 3770. And what kind of a binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright. So let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones. So the rest are what? O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 O's in this row. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Then 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Then let me see. Oh, almost the same. Well. How about? This one is almost the same here. The last column in this column. Okay. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And we can compare this column and that column. Empty box. 1. Empty box. We need to switch these two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And I told you this column and the last column I can compare. Empty box 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. Empty box. We need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then we need to compare. I think we need to compare the rows. because this one and that one is almost the same. Oh, oh, 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0, empty box, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 0, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no there no. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright, great binary. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the fourth puzzle of today in this additional tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.